Disney has finally announced the replacement for the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser. Will it be A, a normal hotel, B, a restaurant, or C, office space? The answer is office space. Boring!
Epic failure.
That's right, the hotel that may have cost $1 billion to make is being replaced with Imagineering office space. The hotel experience only managed to stay open for a year and a half, and it was clearly a failure. So now we must ask ourselves, why? Why did this fail? Well, I think there are three main reasons. Reason one, it was expensive. A 2-night stay for 2 people at the Galactic Starcruiser cost at least $4,800. And let's just say that's a lot to spend for a room that looks like this. You don't even have a real window. Reason number 2, lack of repeatability. People who went to this hotel all had the same experience and went through the same storyline, and that just would not be very fun to do again. Reason number 3, you can't even go to Disney. If you stayed at this hotel, you couldn't leave and you couldn't go to the parks or on the rides. Okay, so you could actually leave, but you can only go to Hollywood Studios, which is still not great. So guess we're obviously not too happy about that. Anyways, did any of you stay at this hotel? Are you surprised that it's being replaced with office space? Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more theme park news. Until next time, I'm Sean from Come Along with Sean. See ya soon!